Hello everyone, thank you for joining in. Today we have another tutorial. No drawing skills are needed, so everyone can participate and create something beautiful. This time we will try to let ourselves create spontaneously. For this tutorial I will use SMLT Art Mixed Media Sketchbook and a gel pen. Even though this paper has texture, so that is not primarily the pen drawing property, but it is an individual decision, and I just like paper with texture. As you have already seen, first of all I am drawing very dynamic lines. The main thing to keep in mind if you want to make it gentle and dynamic is to keep your wrist locked and draw from the shoulder. Then lines will reflect confidence and flow. The next step is to fill everything that is in between the lines. To achieve this goal we will use shorter lines that go from one side to another. Remember that even though there are theories on how to draw something, but there is no right way how you should do art. It is totally up to you. So if you have another idea of how you want to approach this drawing, just go with that idea and let yourself explore the process. After everything inside is covered in some way or another, it is time for another layer. The second layer is needed to make our composition pop out, so you need to decide what part of drawing you want to bring forward. You don't need to think too much, just go the way you feel and that will be great. The second layer I am covering also with lines, but making them in a different angle. Also, I make more intense contours in the places where the shape is getting narrower. In that way you can add layer upon layer until you will be happy with the result. I just want to remind you that art doesn't need to be perfect by some kind of standard. It is a tool that allows us to express ourselves in a way that doesn't need to be understood. It's just a process, an experience that we can embrace by letting ourselves create without boundaries. So this time I will finish the tutorial with the hope that someday we will all believe in our creative nature, and that will open the door to the next level of collective experience. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope that you heard or saw something useful. Feel free to comment, feedback would be appreciated. If you want to support our channel, subscribe and push the like button. This time I'm saying goodbye until the next time. Have a wonderful time creating art.